as working parang kargador sa isang palengke, sa isang Chinese. Ang amo ko, sabi niya, mag-aral ka sa gabi. Commerce ka, kuha ka ng commerce. Nag-enroll ako, natapos ko yan ng 5 years. I was working as an medical representative. In 1995, I resigned. I-anticipate mo yung ano yung kailangan ng merkado. Yung nagtayo, yung mga mall doon, no? Aircon, maginaw. So, kailangan ng parang init. So, siguro may coffee shop dito na itatayo. Mano-mano lang ba? Packing ng sugar, coffee, ng creamer. When you start a business, passion is not only enough. You must have the burning desire. Hindi madali. Importante talaga yung tulong ng bangko sa isang negosyante. Ang Metrobank, product and services nila is now really designed for mga SMEs.
SMEs are very important to Metrobank. That it's only by listening to these guys that I will be able to really deliver the kind of service that they need. We came up with 3 very simple products. We have our puhunan loans para sa inyong mga working capital or capital expenditures. We have our agri loans na pwede niyong gamitin nationwide. Bilang mga palay traders or grains traders, sa mga contract growers, pwedeng-pwede yan. We are now very active into franchise financing. Alam namin na marami na ngayon ang mga up-and-coming businessmen who would want to start their own businesses through franchise.
Yung business ko, natulungan.
Nag-start kami with a capital of 30,000 pesos. Nagpalay to palay. Nung hindi maibenta yung palay, doon kami nag-start na magbigas. Karoon kami ng market ng bigas, yun na yung tuloy-tuloy. So, si 30,000, mabot ng 100,000, lumalaki. Metrobank ang nagpo-push sa amin noon na mag-open ng account. Nag-open kami, hindi naman kami pinabayaan. Mararamdaman mong kapamilya ka.
For a businessman like me, if you're doing some expansion, kailangan mo talaga ng mga pondo. And I think when I talk to Metrobank about this, all hands po sila in terms of giving support. Yun pong alam mo na mayroon kang kukuhanin in times of like may mga sunod-sunod na supplier na naniningil, yung mga ganon, and you're doing a lot of expansion, a lot of renovation of your clinics, nandyan lang.
Kagandahan ng Metrobank sa amin is parang may palaging exchange of informations, ideas. Meaning parang personal ay yung banking relationship.
First time namin magkapihan sa San Jose City, sa simpleng kapihan, nagkakaroon ng magandang pagsasama between the clients and Metrobank.
Kinukuha muna natin ang mga requests o yung mga concerns ng kliyente natin at pinapakita natin na tayo ay nakikinig. Hindi sapat yung basta makausap lang namin sila tapos bigyan namin sa kanila ng loan. Hindi. I realize that we should be able to really engage them. Because if you don't understand the nature of the business and the nature of the loan request, then baka imbis na makatulong ka, mapapahamak pa. It's really a matter of building a relationship. Ang gusto ko talaga dyan, pang matagalan. Yung lalaki kami parehas, sabay ng kliyente natin. Kung magsimula siyang maliit ngayon, sana in 2 to 3 years time, mas malaki na siya. And we should be able to provide them their needs during this time.
Long term, hindi na po biro siguro yung more than 14 years na akong nagbabangko sa kanila. Hanggat nandito ang negosyo, hanggat nandito po kami, I think, hindi ko po iiwanan ang Metrobank.
I would really enjoin everybody. If you have time, you can visit our branches nationwide and just look for your branch heads or for your relationship managers, and we can start being partners in your respective businesses.
Nakita ko sa banking relationship, it's more on trust. I trust Metrobank and Metrobank trust me.